When we publish academic papers, it can perhaps be a little bit inaccessible for people and potentially even a little bit dry, although we're fascinated by it as researchers.
The Pitt Rivers Museum is understood through lots of different lenses, one of which is understanding the space as a museum of comparative technology. I often forget that everything in this museum is an imagined solution to a problem, and all of these problems that are represented in the museum are global.
We've been researching assisted living technology, and we've been looking at the kind of technologies that people use in their daily lives to help them with various health and social care needs.
There was that nervous moment of, is this actually going to work? Is it really daft that I've decided that Tupperware is the very starting point for us? I couldn't have been more wrong. We probably talked for about 30 minutes about Tupperware and the importance it has in our everyday lives, and that feeling was just, it was electric.
We started to explore if there was a way for the museum to bring different groups together who might not be talking at all at the moment.
The Beyond Binary project really focuses on putting researchers and communities kind of together. It's all about showcasing kind of LGBTQ histories and also contemporary LGBTQ communities, and then putting researchers like myself together with kind of community members. So we've been holding things like workshops, we've been going to things like Oxford Pride, where we're kind of engaging with people that maybe wouldn't necessarily engage with museums, or maybe might feel kind of intimidated by museum spaces. For me, I think museums are the perfect place to engage with the public. You've got this kind of sort of environment that you're able to very visually show people histories and sort of tell stories about them. It's amazing that we're able to sort of work with these communities so that they can share the information that they want to share, not what we think we should know about them.